Alright, let's continue the story. I've added an article to the list of Carli, which is an article that was old. So an explanation that I've made in the past about something totally different, but also about ArcoLinux repositories on GitHub and how to use it in any ArcoLinux. So here it's called teaching repo rather than Carli, but it's the same process, and the video might help, and the videos, the pictures here might help to understand more what happens here in number 5. So if everything is clear and everything is set up, you can just skip number 6 basically. All right, I do know that many of you are eager now to test this out, because what have we done until now? We have these two guys, and if we compare, then we have the README is not important, the packages are different. We have Calamares down here, so that's new, and we want to see what's happening if we put Calamares on there. And we've also added the Carli repo, so he knows that the Calamares package needs to come from here. He will not find it here, so he will find it in that particular repo. So let's run it, right? I hope, I think most of the people will say, yes, please run it. Control H. Don't want to see the Git. I'm gonna build this one, so always the same thing, and put this on the site so I don't forget I'm building. This is the look I have, the workflow I use. I see this is still open here. Quit. We failed the following package, and there we go, right? Then we have all the dependencies that we're missing, so that's good. So we know it's still a long way till we get there. In the package of Calamares, we've told them that we do have dependencies. Fine. But these are all good. These guys are good. But this is not good. Make init CPO open swap a dependency of Calamares. Okay. Yeah, fine. So if it's a dependency, you should probably be able to install it or something. Make init CPO open swap, and then we see nothing comes. So it's not coming from ArcoLinux, it's not coming from ArcoLinux, it's not coming from Carli. It's not there. Is it coming from AUR? Make init CPO open swap. It is. All right, so we definitely need this one from AUR. So that's another challenge. We need a package to put on the ISO, and it's not available. How about the CKB comp thingy there? Yay, immediately, CKB, and then what's the map? Comp. All right, so that's one we need as well. On the ISO, not here. The following packages cannot be upgraded to the unresolvable dependencies. So that one and that one. Okay, what's next? Solve the issues. Okay, solve the issues. How do we do that? Well, it's explained here, the package build. So that's the XZ thing, the ZST thing that we done with Calamares. And here we're creating a package build from scratch, putting on AOR. We've done that as well already in the video. We've not done that yet. Creating a package build online. Maybe these things, but that's creating. How to build a package to get ready to release an ISO. So this could be an article that I will add to Carli. From October to 2018, but it's still relevant, super relevant. Still the same thing. We need to go to the AUR, download the snapshot, build the particular packages, and update them in ArcoLinux ISO repo. Okay, fine. So the video is there. I'm gonna rename the numbering later on. So what we're gonna do is not overwrite this here. AUR CKB comp. That's one thing of doing it. I'll do it another way in a bit. So there's a package, and a package has a recipe or a package build. Download the snapshot. You've got it on your machine. Show in a folder. You have it now here. Extract it. Extract here. You have it now here. Control X. Go to your Carli, because we're keeping everything together. Carli package build. Control Find. Now Calamares is that important that I would like to make a separate video folder for it. So we'll get lots and lots of Calamares things, just one folder. This one is a package build. What I need to do is make the package. We'll do shrouting later. So we have a package. Whoops, sorry. Go back and go back again. So like so. We have a package build. This one is the source by, and this is basically what they're going to put on the machine, and that's just a open with Sublime Text. Just this. Just is an understatement, right? Okay, something. Code. We need that one on, so cut it here, put it on the repo, not that repo, put it on the repo of Carli and put it on there. Okay, if that's added, we can actually already try it out. So remember, dependency, this one was a problem and that one is a problem. I'll do it again. You shouldn't complain anymore about the other one. Okay, he's still complaining about the other one. Let's have a look at the work. Pacman.conf. Carli repo is here, so that's good. In here, in here, in here. Let's see if what's in here as well. No Carli here, but I think that's okay. I wonder though. We'll keep it in our mind. Okay, we have to do this anyway, so make init CPO open swap. What I could do is get the same things from Eric, Control H, cache, yay, lots of things that I've done in yay, by your out, and then I'm gonna put you here. Control T, yay, make init CPIO open swap, I think it was. Let's see. Yep, number one. Yes, please. And basically what we get here in yay is a package build. We need, well, more than a package build, I see. So Control H, we get, that's the result. So if I install this, Control C, it's installed, so that's the end result. But I guess the rest is all packages as well, but we're not sure. If you do a lookup here, then we're pretty sure. So I often tend to go here, then I really know the contents of the folder. Sometimes if you build it, of course, you're getting things you don't want to see. So in the download folder we have this one, can go out, all copies, this one, extract here, bye. Yep, it's the same as the other one, as yay, but okay, fine, now we're sure, because we need to be sure about everything we do. Package builds, Control V, this is my make init CPO, I make the package. For now we do not care about routing and all that, not yet. And then we cut this thing, cut here to Carli repo in here. Control find, and we're gonna put that online as well. 3 packages already. Let's type make init cpio open swap. All right, you're online. Now we still have the thing here. If or what is happening here? Do we get, or should we start afresh? We have a cleanup script. Always a good idea to clean up everything like that. So the work directory is gone. It's back the basic thing. And actually we should also push already. What have we been changing? Lots of things. Calamares we've added. Calamares added. Repo has been added. I think that's about it. We'll see. So that's the push to this one. That's the push to Carli 5. And what did we change? Indeed, Calamares here. That's just what we did. So great. Comment is okay. It's exactly what we did. Calamares and that one. Fine. Okay. All right. Now, if we rebuild, let's. I know what's going to happen. I think I know why we had an issue. Because let's try. See if I'm right or not. Trial and error, boys. Trial and error. And we get stuck. No, it was the work directory. Okay, good. So he does get the things. Look at that. Look at that. That's our Carli repo coming in. We are actually building, guys. Tension. Ooh, the tension. The expectation. I'm already thinking about the next step. Next step will be, this will not work. Next step is, yeah, what configuration should we give it? What do you want? How do you configure Calamares? That's basically it. That's the next thing, next step. But I think we all want to see what we get when we install this and see if Calamares boots up. That's a very important thing, because sometimes if you're building, and maybe if you are already an ArcoLinux B builder, you'll know that sometimes when you build Calamares, it breaks because of updates and we have to rebuild it again. Okay, let's sit this one out and let's pause the video. All right, we have a Carli. And it's the year, the month, and the date. And of course, we're anxious to see what it is. I do not seem to have VirtualBox at this point in time. I've done something to it, I guess. Will now terminate, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I deleted some things. Remember that I had not enough space and I deleted it. Maybe I'll just delete everything and see what happens. No. I'm afraid I need to reboot and to show you what we've done. But basically, we have an ISO and it's gonna be in ArcoLinux Carli 5. In the out folder, we have this thing, and it is containing a lot of files, of course, of Plasma. So Control find KD E, all kinds of KDE stuff, all kinds of Plasma stuff, and what interests us more, Calamares is there, and CKB, I think it was CKB something, comp, and the OpenSwap is somewhere in there as well. So fine, let's test this out, but first let's stop the video here.